Hello friends, today we are going to discuss test of divisibility. As we know, if we divide 0 by a number, the result will be 0. So, example 0 divided by 156 will be 0. Okay, so we know any number divided by 0 will be 0. Next, if we uh, divide a number by 0, say 5 divided by 0, that is undefined. Okay, then divisibility by 2. Okay, for example, 256 is a number. We have to find that if it is divisible by 2. As we know, if the last digit of a number is an even number, it will be divisible by 2. So in this case, 6 is the last digit. So it will be, the number will be divisible by 2. Then divisibility by 3. So if a number is given and we have to find out whether it is divisible by 3, then we have to check that the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. Okay, for example, 1, 2, 2, 1. See, the sum of digits like 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. That is 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1 equal to 6. And this is divisible by 3. So, the number will be divisible by 3. So, next one is the divisibility by 4. When the number made by the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the particular number will be divisible by 4. That is 4, 5, 0, 8. For example, the last two digits, okay, is divisible by 4. Then the number will be divisible by 4. So we can check like 4, 0, 5, 1 time, 4, 1, 0, 2, 8, 10, 2, 8, 7, 28. Okay. So it is divisible by 4. I think you guys understand what I said. If the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the particular number will also be divisible by 4. And also, if the last two digits have zeros, okay, then also last two digits are 0, then also it will be divisible by 4. I hope you understand. Then the easy part, the divisibility of 5. As you know, a number having zeros or 5 at the end are divisible by 5. For example, 4,200, 21,005, sorry, 2,105, all are divisible by 5. See, so the 0 or 5. Okay. Then divisibility by 6. If a number is divisible by both 3 and 2, 3 and 2, then the number will be divisible by 6 also. For example, 720. Okay. Here we know 7 plus 2 equals 9, and that is divisible by 3. And here it is a 0. So it's an even number and it can be divided by 2. So this number will be divisible by 6 also. Okay. 720 is okay. It's divisible by 6. Hope you understand, guys. Then divisibility by 7. So if a number, okay, and the last digit of a number is multiplied by 2, okay, and it is subtracted from the other digits, and if it is a multiple of 7 or 0, it will be divisible by 7. For example, 658, that is last digit. 65 minus 8 into 2. 65 minus 16, and that will be 49. And this 49 is a multiple of 7. So it will be divisible by 7. Okay. Then divisibility by 8. If we take a number and the last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8, then the number will be divisible by 8. Also, the last 3 digits of a number are zeros, then also it will be divisible by 8. For example, 2256. See, if we take the last 3 digits, 256, if I divide it, then if we can divide the last 3 digits by 8, then the total number will be divisible by 8. Also, if the last 3 digits are zeros, then also the number will be divisible by 8. Then divisibility by 9. If we take a number and add all the digits, and the sum will be divisible by 9, that means the number will be divisible by 9. For example, 189. So if we take the sum, like 1 plus 8 plus 9, that will be 18. This number is divisible by 9. Then 189 will be divisible by 9. This is particularly useful in a larger number. Okay. Another example. So if we add 9 plus 1 plus 0 plus 8. Okay. Then it will be then divisibility by 10. If the last number ends with a 0 or is divisible by 10, sorry, if the last number is 0, then it is divisible by 10. We all know that. Last one is last digit is 0, then it is divisible by 10. Okay, then divisibility by 11. So here we have to take the odd places and even places, and the sum of odd places and the sum of even places should be equal, or it should be different by a number which is divisible by 11. For example, 3, 4, 8, 3, 2, 6 is a number. So we can take 3, 8, 2, 3 plus 8 plus 2, and here 4, 3, 6, 4 plus 3 plus 6. So it will be 13. This one will be 13. So difference is 0. Okay. Here difference is 0. Or if it will say a multiple of 11, then the number will be divisible by 11. I hope you guys understand. If you like my content, please subscribe and follow. Okay, thank you.